Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology. In this video, we will highlight the similarity of predictions done by Sant Surdas, who was by birth blind and a great devotee of Lord Krishna. He composed a lot of poems in praise of Lord Krishna, and it is believed that Lord Krishna would come to listen to Sant Surdas and his songs. Now, the similarity of predictions done in the Bhavishya Malika and by Sant Surdas is something we will try to understand. And you will find that these predictions are nearly similar. The timelines may slightly differ. So, let's begin this video. Now, look at the first box in the top left corner. It says, Re man धीरज क्यों न धरे, संवत 2000 के ऊपर ऐसा जोग परे, पूर्व पश्चिम उत्तर दक्षिण चहु दिशा काल फिरे, अकाल मृत्यु जग माही व्यापी, प्रजा बहुत मरे. Now, in the Vedic literature, there are two calendars. One is the Vikrami Samvat calendar and the other is the Shaka calendar. And in the Vikrami Samvat calendar, Samvat 2000 refers to the year 1943. That is, you have to subtract 57 years from the Vikrami Samvat year. So from 2000, I am subtracting 57. I reach the year 1944. And what Surdas says is that during this year, in all four directions, there was a dance of death and people were dying, which is very true. Because in the year 1944, the Indian national freedom struggle began. India got independence in 1947, and during the partition, there were large-scale riots in which lot of people, Hindus as well as Muslims, lost their lives. Now let us move to the second box in the vertical order. So there it is said, Haldar Poot Pawar Ghar Ubje Dehri Kshetra Dhare, meaning the son of a farmer or one who yields the plough will rule over the region of Delhi. The next line says, Malecha Rajya ki Sagari Sena Api Aap Mare, which means that the Malechas will try to attack India over the sea route. However, they will die by themselves, fighting among themselves. Sur sabhi hi अनहोनी होई है, जग में अकाल परे, हिंदू मुगल तुरक सब नाशय, कीट पतंग जरे. So what he is talking about here is that there will be large scale destruction, including Hindus, Mughals, Turks. Many of them will die in this attack. There will also be a large scale famine is what this line says. And this also very closely matches to what is mentioned in the Bhavishya Malika. People will die like insects. Keet patang jare. That means people will die like insects. Let us go to the third box. Meghnad Ravan ka beta so puni janma dhare, means Ravan's son Meghnad will again take rebirth. पूर्व पश्चिम उत्तर दक्षिण चहु दिशा राज करे, ही विल रूल इन ऑल फोर डायरेक्शंस. संवत 2000 के ऊपर 56 वर्ष चढ़े, मीनिंग एड 56 years टू संवत 2000. वी विल कम टू संवत 2056. एंड टेक्निकली 2056 संवत refers to the year 1999. So 2056 minus 57 will give you 1999. In India, in the year 1999, we had the Kargil attack in which lot of lives were lost. Further he says, Akal Mrityu Jag Mahi Vyape, Parja Bahut Mare, meaning there will be sudden unexpected death. Large amount of people will die. दुष्ट दुष्ट को ऐसे काटे जैसे कीट जरे, meaning evil will destroy evil just like insects kill themselves. माघ मास संवत्सर व्यापे, सावन ग्रहण परे, Magh Mas refers to the months of February and March. Sawan Grahan Pare refers to the solar eclipse which is yet to come. Udi Viman Ambar Mein Jave, meaning planes will fly in the air. Gruha Gruha Yuddha Kare means in every house there will be a battle, there will be a fight. Marut Vish Mein Fek Ke Jug, meaning poisonous things will be thrown on the earth. Mahi Parja Bahut Mare, meaning lot of people will die. So Surdas ji also mentions about a large scale destruction that is likely to come. So now what is mentioned in the Bhavishya Malika? It is the same thing. Bhavishya Malika also says that China along with 13 Islamic countries will attack India, and this is most likely to happen in the 24 Ank, that is the period between April 2024 and April 2025. Bhavishya Malika also says that in this war, people will be killed on a large scale, just like insects. And same thing is mentioned by Surdas ji. So definitely in the coming decade, and as per astrology also, if you see the years 2024-2025, these events are most likely to occur. Now Bhavishya Malika also additionally says that there will be a war fought with the help of Russia, China and certain countries against America, UK and the allied nations. And in that, America and UK will be completely destroyed. And once this event happens, India will also be attacked, and that will be a part of the World War III. So all these things are mentioned in the Bhavishya Malika, and you can see how closely this tallies with Saint Surdas's predictions. Now, only time will tell how true these predictions are, whether they will really happen. But if you see the accuracy of the predictions, it is most likely that these things will definitely happen in the coming years. So friends, that's all from my end. For any queries, write to us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com. You can visit our website astroseva.tripod.com also. So friends, thanks a lot. Bye. Take care and stay safe.